Theory, law, and principle in science, understanding the hierarchy. In science, there is a hierarchy of concepts that help us organize and understand the natural world. These concepts include hypotheses, theories, laws, and principles, each with its own role and level of scientific support. Let's break down what each of these terms means. Hypothesis. A hypothesis is an educated guess or a tentative explanation for a specific phenomenon or observation. It is typically based on existing knowledge and is testable through experimentation or further observation. Hypotheses are the starting point for scientific investigations and serve as a foundation for further research. Theory. A theory is a well-substantiated and comprehensive explanation of a natural phenomenon that has been extensively tested and supported by a significant body of evidence. In other words, a theory is a hypothesis that has withstood repeated experimentation and scrutiny. It is a robust and widely accepted explanation that provides a framework for understanding various related phenomena. Theories are not easily discarded and are considered fundamental to the field of study. Law. A scientific law, also known as a natural law, is a statement that describes a consistent and universal relationship observed in nature. Laws are often expressed in mathematical terms and describe how certain phenomena behave under specific conditions. Unlike theories, which explain why something happens, laws describe what happens. Laws are considered to be constant and irrefutable, and are fundamental principles of nature. Principle. Principles, sometimes referred to as scientific principles or scientific principles, are general guidelines or fundamental truths that help explain natural phenomena or guide scientific processes. They are broader and more general than laws and are often used as foundational concepts in a specific field of study. Principles may not always be as universally applicable or mathematically precise as laws, but they play an important role in shaping our understanding of the natural world.